All right, so everybody wants to know when you go down the party channel, here's the lowest bridge, here's the lowest spot on the chain of lakes. If your boat gets through here, you can go anywhere, you don't need to worry about it. Now right now we're at, the water's actually pretty high, we had some rain. You can't really see, but there is a gauge here, but it's twisted. I tried to straighten it, but couldn't make it happen. I'm gonna go ahead and measure from, there's actually a little bit of a lower spot here. Now, one thing you gotta remember is the measurement I'm gonna give you is today. Water goes up and down, water's a little bit high, so if you fit today, you probably fit most days. But remember, give yourself a good 6 inches to a foot, because what if a boat's coming by and you hit a wake and bounces up? So be careful. So let's just find out exactly what the dimensions are here. So, eight feet, 3 inches. So if you want to know if you can get through, go put your boat in the water, stand at a dock, and measure from the water to the highest point on your boat. You can also measure your bimini top. You need to know if you need to take that down or not. Most people need to drop their biminis when they come under here. So now you know the answer is 8 feet when the water's high.